We've all been there. That dreaded moment when you wake up, look in the mirror, and there it is, a brand new, bright red friend on your face. It's like an uninvited guest that just won't leave. Yep, we're talking about acne, those annoying little bumps that seem to appear out of nowhere. It's frustrating, it can be painful, and let's be honest, it can really put a damper on your day. Acne doesn't discriminate. It doesn't care about your plans or your important events. It affects people of all ages, skin types, and walks of life. From teenagers to adults, no one is immune. Whether you're a teenager going through hormonal changes or an adult dealing with stress, acne can pop up at any time. But don't despair. There are ways to tackle it. The good news is that there are proven tips and tricks to get rid of acne fast and get you back to feeling confident in your own skin. From skincare routines to lifestyle changes, solutions are within reach. So let's roll up our sleeves, get down to business, and declare war on those pesky pimples. Together, we can achieve clearer, healthier skin. Before we can fight acne effectively, it's important to understand what causes it in the first place. Acne is a common skin condition that affects millions of people worldwide, and it can be quite frustrating to deal with. Simply put, acne occurs when your hair follicles become clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and sometimes bacteria. This clogging can lead to inflammation, redness, and those pesky pimples we all dread. There are several factors that can contribute to this clogging process, including hormonal fluctuations during puberty, menstruation, or pregnancy can trigger an overproduction of oil, leading to breakouts. These hormonal changes can make the skin more prone to acne. If your parents had acne, you're more likely to experience it yourself, thanks to genetics. Your skin type and how it reacts to different factors can be inherited. When we're stressed, our bodies produce cortisol, a hormone that can increase oil production and contribute to acne. Stress can also make existing acne worse. Some studies suggest that certain foods like dairy and sugary snacks may worsen acne in some people. Diet can play a role in how your skin behaves. Using comedogenic, pore-clogging skincare or makeup products can also lead to breakouts. It's important to choose products that are labeled non-comedogenic to avoid this issue. Now that we know what causes acne, let's talk about how to get rid of it. Acne can be frustrating, but with the right approach, you can achieve clearer skin. The key is to establish a consistent skincare routine that targets the root causes of breakouts. Consistency is crucial because it helps your skin adjust and respond better to the treatments. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser that's specifically formulated for acne-prone skin. This helps to remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities that can clog pores. Avoid harsh scrubs as they can irritate the skin and make acne worse. Instead, opt for products that soothe and calm your skin. Exfoliating once or twice a week helps to remove dead skin cells and prevent clogged pores. This step is essential for keeping your skin smooth and clear. Look for exfoliating products that contain salicylic acid or glycolic acid. These ingredients are effective in treating and preventing acne. Incorporate these products into your routine to enhance your skin's health and appearance. Benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid are two powerful ingredients that can help to kill bacteria and reduce inflammation. They are often found in many over-the-counter acne treatments. Look for over-the-counter spot treatments or cleansers that contain these ingredients. Apply them directly to the affected areas for targeted action. Even oily skin needs moisture. Hydration is key to maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. This will help keep your skin balanced and prevent further breakouts. Section 4. Your arsenal against acne products that pack a punch. Navigating the world of acne products can be overwhelming, but fear not. Here are some easily available products that can make a big difference. Look for cleansers containing salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide, which help to unclog pores and kill bacteria. CeraVe and Cetaphil offer great drugstore options. These targeted treatments are designed to zap pimples fast. Look for products containing benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, or tea tree oil. Clay masks can help to absorb excess oil and impurities. Look for masks that contain ingredients like kaolin or bentonite clay. These magical little stickers help to draw out pus and impurities from pimples, speeding up the healing process. Section 5. Beyond the surface lifestyle changes for clearer skin. While skincare is crucial, don't underestimate the power of lifestyle changes in your fight against acne. Engage in stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your skin to repair itself. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to flush out toxins and keep your skin hydrated from within. Focus on consuming whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and dairy products. Section 6. Clear skin, clear confidence. Your journey begins now. Remember, achieving clear skin is a journey, not a race. Be patient with yourself, be consistent with your skincare routine, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for your skin. By following these proven tips and tricks, you can win the battle against acne and enjoy the clear, radiant skin you deserve.